Memphis, Tennessee, y'all look us up. 931-414-4388, 488 North Channel Street.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Well, y'all ready for this video? Well, I can't go looking like this. This is better. Yeah. Alright. Got a special guest for y'all today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold that thought, guys. Trying to pull off. Man, I don't know where y'all at, but boy, it done got hot. Shit. Man, I tell you. But anyway, your boy been grinding, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, like I said in that video, I got some stuff that I'm trying to get together, and I was able to get this one. This is just one of the things that your boy been out here doing. You know what I'm saying? I ain't giving up. I know I said it ain't a lot to do in this town. I'm gonna make the best out of it. You know what I'm saying? If y'all hear that, I am sorry. Y'all know me. I do not do hot. Period. But yeah, man, I want to do something different with my channel, because I went back and I got to looking. I'm like, God, oh, boy, you do the same shit. You just twist it up just a little bit. So, you know what I'm saying? Taking a little leap of faith. Stepping out of my comfort zone, and I'm just gonna go for it. You know what I'm saying? It either make me or break me. I don't know. But as far as the gaming channel or gaming, would I be sitting there putting the games up? That game, what I be playing?
Ever had a dreams that you had your.
But hopefully I can go on and stream it, because I don't know if y'all paid attention to how many times I tried to upload that one video. Man, my internet sucked ass, like seriously. But hopefully they'll let me do it that way. I don't know, maybe won't. Hell, y'all can get in the comment section and say whatever you want to after this, but I thought you had to have like so many subscribers or so many hours where you can live stream you playing the game. I don't know nothing about it completely. I'm a dummy to it, but I'm gonna try to see if I can do it. But yeah, man, I'm almost to my destination. Hopefully this video won't be too long. Oh boy, you better be glad I'm making this video. I would have smashed on you, made you turn that shit down. Boy, you don't. He don't know no better. He don't know no better. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all think I'm bull. Man, every time I have a video and I'm smoking this thing, the video will not upload. As soon as I take it out, it goes straight through. I don't know if I got the, what kids can watch the video on or what, I don't know, but man, it's whatever. But I am at my destination, so y'all gonna have to hold that thought for 1 second. I'll find me somewhere to park. What's wrong? Don't be looking all like that now. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to cut y'all off, because I'm about to switch camera. Oh man. Alright, y'all see yourself. Shit. She look nervous. Oh man. I ain't know she was having some construction going on today. Let me get in here, guys, and see what we gonna do.
What up, baby? What's going on? I like the rims you got on there.
Appreciate it, man.
That was nice, huh? That was nice, huh? What color is it?
Black, cherry, metallic.
When you come into Auntie Matt's Soul Food, Auntie Matt, we have some good old greens. Yeah, baby. homemade, got that meat in there. And we got some good old fried potatoes, baby. Yeah. Melt in your mouth. So good. And then we got some good old beef stew, baby. Yeah, look at that beef stew. Some good old field peas. Got some good old okra in there. Yeah, y'all come on down here to Auntie Matt's Soul Food. And get some of this good old food, you heard me? Yeah. And then when you come to Auntie Matt's Soul Food, you just come up to the drive-thru window right here. And we will take y'all order, pull up to the drive-thru window. And we will take y'all order. And then not only that, come down here and get some of Willie's famous banana pudding, y'all. We got some homemade cha-cha. We got potato chips and all. Yeah. Y'all visit Auntie Matt's Soul Food today. And there go Willie right there. He's the man that does the barbecue, the banana pudding, and all. The smoked rib, the fried chicken, fried pork chop. And that's King. He is the ball man. He's the ball man. He run around patting folks on the butt. Yeah. Y'all visit Auntie Matt's Soul Food today, y'all.
Alright, where can they reach at?
Auntie Matt's Soul Food, y'all can reach me at 931-414-4388, y'all. Yeah. Come around here to the drive-thru one. This is the drive-thru one, y'all. Y'all pull up here. Yeah. We'll take y'all order and we'll have y'all a good day. You ready? Open and running. Yeah. We're located 488 North Chambers Street. You can't miss that sign, y'all. Auntie Matt's Soul Food, y'all. Black-owned business. Memphis, Tennessee, y'all look us up. 931-414-4388, 488 North Chambers Street. All right, y'all. Good day.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna chop. Whoa, let me get some sun. Alright, man, I'm gonna chop it up with her a little bit, man, and I get back with y'all when I get in the car. Alright, guys, there you have it, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been hearing about how good this food was, this soul food, so I was like, man, you know what? I'm gonna have to go and get them on my channel. You know what I'm saying? I felt like, man, my bad, guys, that was a charge over there. Man, it was nice. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? I was like, you know, my YouTube is kind of growing a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It could be better, but hey, it is what it is. But I've been watching her on Facebook, and hey, she doing a damn thing. So I was like, man, shit, why not? Yeah, you need to go on ride my ass. I said, why not? So I want to go on and get on the channel. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go to her Facebook. It's Auntie Mattie's. Gonna show her some love, and I'm also gonna put her her YouTube. Now she got a YouTube and ain't got damn bit of cooking on now. I don't know what she thinking about, but she finna change that because I got that in her head. Hey, you doing it all too wrong. But yeah, man, I just want to share my little platform with her because I got more subscribers than she do, and I mean, it ain't too many black-owned nothings here, so why not, man? I mean, why not? So I hope I get blessed for doing that, man. That's just one of the things that I got lined up, man. Your boy is out here grinding. I found out some more stuff that was going on, so me saying there's nothing out here to do, no, I'm gonna say that's an excuse. But your boy, just watch now. But I'm gonna be recording, filming her cooking and the whole nine. I'm gonna get her to tell the story of everything. You know what I'm saying? How they got started and all that good stuff, man. It's probably not gonna be on the next video because I gotta go. I gotta do Christmas for for my mama. Damn. Please don't tell her I did that. But anyway, man, that ain't all in this video, man. Hopefully I can squeeze all this in, man. I got to do the unboxing and all that good stuff. So yeah, I get back with y'all when I get in the house. Y'all got to enter the game room. Alright, I'm gonna have to set y'all up. I'll open this up. Now, this camera ball. My bad. I don't know why he went. Got a new tripod here. But I'm gonna get that. My bad. I know y'all shaking. God dang it. Y'all be able to see what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. Time to open this here box. I'm not a professional. Oh yeah. Y'all ready? Y'all sure? I don't think y'all ready. Yeah, I'm about to do something totally different to my car. Let's put this on now. Look at it. Want my box. No, y'all can't see it. Oh. Let's grab it. I know it's about to fall. Y'all see that? No? Yeah, that carbon fiber. Yes, sir. I'm about to do something totally different. Y'all just wait till I show y'all what I'm about to do with this thing. I don't know why it just went up close like that. Let's see if I can go outside. Y'all get that look. So everybody know what carbon fiber look like. But still can't see it. Y'all know what it is. Do the damn thing. Might need to go out and finish this video up. I can see it better. Ooh, oh, there we go. Alright. I hate that thing. You don't know. But anyway, man, yeah, I got a lot of stuff coming, man. All I got is time now, man. All the stuff that I'm gonna be doing to my car is probably gonna be over the time that I'm off for the holidays. So, and that'll probably be, I think they said the 24th. No, I don't remember when it is, but yeah, your boy about to go on and show y'all. Hey, what I'm about to do, I don't see nobody doing it. Y'all know me, I be trying to be the first. But if I ain't, then somebody gonna do it and mark off of me or whatever. But it's your boy Sofa Serious. I'm out of here.